It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and this is the Battle of the Boxes video. Yes, I got my Ipsy Glam Plus Box, and I got my Boxycharm, and we're to see which one is the better box for the new year. So yes, if you want to see what I got in my boxes and my thoughts, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I'm super excited to be filming this video. Yes, because I got my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the new year, and I got my Boxycharm for the new year. And these are both a $25 subscription box. So I'm excited to see which one is the better one for the new year. Yes, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Shantelle Lace. I do a lot of beauty, fashion, and just occasional mukbangs here and there with my daughter. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for staying tuned and staying true. So yes, let's go on and get started. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription, and so is Ipsy Glam Plus Box. And they're both $25 a month. And you get, I think it's 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 full-size beauty products. So these are my first boxes for the year for 2020. So we're going to see which box is the better one. So I'm going to start with my my Ipsy Glam Plus box, because it actually came in the mail open. So I'm kind of like, want to make sure everything's in here. I haven't even checked it yet, because you know I stay true to y'all, boo. We check this together so y'all can get my true reactions, okay? FYI, I know I look a hot mess, but I was having issues with some lash extensions I had got on Friday, and my eyes still kind of, you know, so I didn't want to do no makeup or anything. So yeah, so excuse the face. Okay, I know I'm usually glammed up, but I got my wine on deck to help me get through the night, okay? But let's get started, because I know it's a long intro. But yes, this is my Ipsy Glam Plus box for January 2020. New box for the new year. Let's get her opened up. Boom, boom. Got the orange insert, and it says Discover Yourself. And I hope I have all the items that are supposed to be in here, so, because it was open in my mailbox. So first up, ooh, it is some masks. That's the first thing that I do see, and it's by Duft and Doft. Duft and Doft. I don't know if I'm saying that right. The pink milk mask. And I think this is a Korean type of mask, and it says Tone and Radiance. And let's see. Let me open the package, because it looks like it's several masks. Yep, so it's a package of 3. So this counts as 1. And this is the packaging right here. Hold it up right there. This is really, really cute. And you guys know I like to be Tone and Radiant, boo. So yes, definitely going to be trying these out. Nice, 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 nice. Next up, this is, by Flesh. It says Right Flesh Glisten Drops. Ooh, and this is in Candy Glow. That just sounds delicious right there, Candy Glow. So let's open, let me show you the box first, right? So that is the box. And let's see, Candy Glow. Ooh, it is a glow, boo. This is a highlighter. Okay, look at that. Definitely nice. Let's see how you open this up, because it feels like I'm supposed to pump it. Oh, it is. It's a little dropper. Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that. And you just push this little top, and it doops a little drop. I'm just going to do a little bit for you guys. Do you see that? A little drop right there, and we're going to... Oh, this is beautiful. And it matches my skin tone perfectly. I don't know if you guys can see that little gloominess. You see that? It's just, it's luminous. It's not like a highlighter. Ooh, I like this. I like this a lot. Kind of gives you, I mean, it is a highlighter, but it's a luminous highlighter. Like, it's not going to give you that, unless you put it on packly. I put a very little drop, and that's nice. It's just kind of luminous and shine. I could put this all over my body. Ooh. Okay, we're 2 for 2. I'm loving it. Love both things so far. Next up, this is by Billion Dollar Brows, and it says the Best Sellers Kit. Okay. The Best Sellers Kit. Look at that. Ooh. So it comes with a universal brow pencil, a brow duo pencil, our secret it says it's our secret weapon. Apply the highlight on your brow bone to add gorgeous definition for an instant brow lift. Use the concealer end to cover blemishes. Then we got a clear brow gel, self-explanatory, and a smudge brush. Ooh, I cannot wait to play with this because y'all know I gotta do the brows, honey. Even if I ain't feeling good, I'm gonna do them brows, okay? Unless, unless I'm about to die, then, if my brows ain't done, watch me. Make sure, I'm still breathing every, 20 minutes. And, yeah, check my vital signs because if I don't have no brows on, something ain't right because, even though my eyes messed up, I got my brows on today, boo. Okay, all right, so we is 3 for 3, okay? Next up, ooh, it is a palette by Wonder Beauty. It's the Wanderess Rush. Wanderess Rush, if I'm saying that correctly, and it is a very pretty packaging. Let's see what she is looking like. Open her up. Ooh. I like Wanderlust palettes. I know I have another one from them that I like, or Wonder Beauty palette. Oh, this is just beautiful. Oh my God. And it's me. These are very neutral little colors right here. Everyday basic. But then you got your little shimmers, your little shimmers. And then I would use these as like, this would that's another little shimmer, but these would be transitioning shades for me. But this is pretty. Oh my God, but this is beautiful, you guys. I might have to do a look with this. You never know. So we 4 for 4, okay? We 4 for 4. So yes, we're 4 for 4. Then we have the little insert, which I don't never read. But this is for January 2020. And it says clean slate. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on the path that sets your dreams in stone. And so this is the theme for this month. So I like that. And then I got another package of mask, the Tone and Radiance mask, which I had already opened up. So I'm not sure if this counts as one whole product because it's actually 6 masks. So that's not bad at all because it's 3 in the package. But last but not least, I got this Wigman Waterproof Micro Liner. And this is by Sugar. So let's see right there. I'm not going to open it up because I don't want to dry it out and stuff. But I am assuming that it is in black because all the top and the ends are black. But this would be a liner. So I wouldn't mind trying this out and seeing how it will work on me. So that is nice. It's nice. And oh, I am liking the bag for this month. Look at that. Super, super cute. I love it. The little marble going on, okay? So we is definitely... Ipsy, they did good for this month in my opinion. I am liking the Wanderlust palette is very beautiful and I like the eyeliner. And I'm loving this $1 Billion Brows Bestsellers Kit. That is very, very nice. And I'm liking this Flush highlighter for my skin. I cannot wait to wear this all over. Trust and believe. And come on now, y'all know I love taking care of my canvas. So therefore these masks is like, oh my gosh. And I got 6 of them. That's like the crazy thing about it. So that is very, very nice. So I think this was a nice box for this month, and especially for $25. But now we need to go to the nitty gritty and get to the next box, which is our Boxycharm, which is the same $25 a month, and you get 4 to 5 beauty products, 4 to 5 or 5 to 6, something of that nature. So let's open her up. Got my little knife here because she wasn't open in the mail, okay? And woo, there she is. Got the little insert right on the top, okay? And this month's theme is Breaking the Ice. This is this month's theme. I don't ever read this unless I have to. And yes, so now we got our little products. Ooh, let's open up this box, okay? So first up, what's calling my name and standing out to me is by the Skin & Co. Roma. Is the Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Ooh, that just sounds fancy, y'all. But yes, this sounds like it's an exfoliating face mask of some sort. So I'm going to read the back, and it says it's made in Italy. Basically, yeah, it's an exfoliating cleanser. So definitely can't wait to try this out. Ooh, because y'all know we got to take care of that canvas. So this is a nice product. So this is a win, and it's a full-size product. It is 5 fluid ounces, 5.07 fluid ounces, boo. It's nice, and it has some weight, and it's very, very pretty. So I can't wait to try it out. Let's see if she has a smell. I have to take the... Y'all know I'm not good at taking these plastics and stuff off, okay? Oh, she thick. She thick, y'all. And she just smells like oils, which she does have oils, almond oil and so forth. But I'll get more into it once I open this product. I don't want to put none on yet because I don't want to waste this. This looks like it's good, okay? Okay, next up, this is by Qveen or Qveen. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I never heard of Qveen. Qveen Studio. Qveen. That's what it is. Usually with a Q, there's a U, but there's no U here. It's QV, you know. So that kind of threw me off. But this looks like it is a lipstick. So let's open it up and see. And it is indeed a lipstick, and definitely something that I would use. It's called Thick Skin, and it just looks like a very nice nude color for me. I like the packaging, but for me, I don't own any Kylie products, so don't quote me on this. But when I look at this, like from a distance and stuff, it just kind of gives me Kylie vibes. But like I said, I don't own any her products, so I don't know. But yeah, this would be like a good little nude. Let's try it out. Let me get these boxes out of the way and get my Jeffree Star mirror. Oh yeah. She comes off a little orangey, but it'll be a perfect nude once I put some liner on with it. I just wanted to try it out and see because it looks really, really pretty. But definitely have to wear a liner with it. But it's not bad. Not bad at all. Trying things out. That is nice right here. So I like both of these products so far. And she feels good on my lips. She doesn't feel really drying. And she doesn't feel tacky neither. Alright, second up, this is by Pretty Vulgar. And this is an undercover Shady Lady. So I think this is like a concealer. Let's see. Yeah. It is a concealer. Let me show you guys. This is by Pretty Vulgar. And you can tell it's my skin tone. And this is Undercover 65 Shady Lady. It's a concealer, so I want to see how, and it has like a nice little dofa, which I like when I'm applying my concealer. So let's see, I'm gonna go right here because I had put that highlighter on the other hand. So this is nice to get in your box, but I want to see how this concealer works. It's too dark. Yeah. Can y'all see that? You can strictly see that, right? It's way too dark for my skin tone. Maybe in the summertime when I tan up, this will be good. But definitely not for right now because it's not summertime and this clearly doesn't match. It's just too dark. I can possibly use it as a contour shade because you know it is darker. But yeah, not too like excited like woohoo about this one. Okay, so right now we're 2 for 1. Okay, 2 likes, 1 not like. I mean, it's not bad to get a concealer. And like I said, I can use it as a contour shade because it is darker slightly, but Next up, this is by Dr. Brandt, if I'm saying that correctly. I really love these skincare products. This is a 24/7 Retinol eye cream with Ruby Crystal Complex. Here we go. And I love this brand. I have the sleep recovery mask and I love it. Oh my god, I use it every night because I just love the way it makes my face feel. So let's open this box and see what the packaging looks like. Okay, it's a nice little tube. Nice. So see what it smells like. It doesn't stink or anything of that nature. Give it, it does seem like it will seep into my skin really nicely, or absorb, let me use the right terminology. So we are 3 for 4, and we got one more item, you guys. So let me get this back. And last but not least, this is by Avant. This is the Shea Butter Rice brand Pathanol Polydennis. I don't know. I'm so sorry. It says an 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleep Mask. Oh, I can't wait to try this one out and see how it does. Apply in a thin layer to clean, dry skin, allowed to absorb into the skin. No need to wash off. Can't wait to try this out and see how it does. But this is the packaging right here. Super pretty and cute. Let's see what she smells like. She does have a seal. And she just smells like a cream. Oh, and she just feels like a cream too. A nice thick one. That's why I said thin layer. Oh, okay. I can't wait to try this one out. So yes, so we are 4 for 5 out of my Boxycharm. So based on my scoring on the things that I got for this month, I say that Ipsy Glam Plus Box is a better deal. But like I said, I like 4 out of 5 of my products out of my Boxycharm, and I just can't choose between the two. That's why I subscribe to both of them. I love the products that I get. And like I said, the concealer is not that bad. It's just for one, if I want a concealer, I want it to be a lighter shade. Not a darker shade, either my same skin tone or lighter. So we'll see, and I could just play around with this as a contour shade, not a big deal. But yes, I'm very pleased with both of my boxes, but I would have to say that Ipsy Glam Plus Box was a better box starting off the year. So I'm super pleased and excited to see what more they have to bring and to come. And Boxycharm wasn't bad either, so I'm excited to see what they have to bring for this year too. So it wasn't a bad box, so I'm very pleased with both of them. Let me know in this comment area what was your favorite box for this month, the Ipsy Glam Plus box or the Boxycharm box. If you're subscribed to it, will you be subscribing? If you are going to be subscribing, I'll have a link down below that you guys can use, and that'll help me get some Boxycharms. Okay, but yes, that's all I have for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.